Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in for the Trade of the Week by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernukov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But first, let's see how the previous idea performed. I remind you that the idea was a long for crude oil with a target area of $62. The idea was fully correct and had successfully reached the projected target. That means that in total, starting from the beginning of 2025, we've brought 46 ideas, with 35 of them being successful. That brings us to a rough 76% of a hit rate for published ideas. For this week on our list is the swing trading idea for platinum. The price is locked in a multi-point symmetrical triangle amplified by the coil, a very narrow trading range with a substantial decline of volatility. If market conditions won't change, then we might observe the price breaking through the upper border of the coil and moving towards to at least $2,650, the projected height of the coil, and also the Fibonacci extension of 138% of the last correctional move. That is a momentum breakout trade, which means sensitivity to a trade location. One needs to be near the screen when the breakout happens. So if the price triggers 2450 area, that might be a path to a further extension of a breakout. What are narratives behind this idea? Metals benefit the most from the ongoing rally and being boosted by the safe haven demand. While platinum is not quite a safe haven asset, it's driven by the rising demand of gold and silver and considered as an alternative investment vehicle. And investors don't want to miss out on the opportunity to join the rally. What is the supply and demand situation for platinum? Physical supply remains tight, mining is price inelastic, and the above-ground stocks are low. That is a bullish factor. Industrial demand rebounds after a cyclical decline, supporting core consumption. That is a bullish factor too. Among bearish factors, we can stress the decline in investment demand from ETFs, which we can see in a certain outflow starting from the beginning of January for PPLT, the Platinum Shares ETF. But now flows improve, so the factor is compensated. The open interest for platinum futures, according to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, is holding at the plateau but is not declining. The automotive demand is eroding, and this industry is the largest consumer of platinum. But that is rather a long-term factor. In the short term, the main demand still comes from the investment sentiment, and it shows signs of improvement. Basic macro conditions stay unchanged for now. Expectations for the interest rates in the US and overall market sentiment remains unchanged. The main publication that traders will pay attention to would be the PCE index publication on Thursday, January 22nd. If the number will be softer than expected, it might boost the speculative demand across the board and for platinum as well. So in summary, the idea for upcoming week is a long position for platinum if the price triggers the 2450 area. The possible target for this idea is around $2,650. The price is locked in a narrow coil and may be shaken in the upside direction. The rise of gold and silver supports the possible bullish move in platinum, as metals remain to be the most popular investment vehicles as of now. The PCE index publication may amplify the move should the number come out softer than expected, or at least will match expectations. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.